How to draw snowdrops, a super simple step-by-step tutorial. In this easy tutorial, I'll show you how to draw 3 beautiful snowdrops, one large, one smaller and one that hasn't opened yet. Step 1. Sketching the stems. Start by drawing 3 bold lines to create the delicate curved stems of the snowdrops. Step 2. Sketching the ovary. At the top of each stem, sketch a small oval shape. This represents the ovary from which the petals will hang. Step 3. Creating petal guidelines. From each ovary, draw 3 lines. These act as the center guides for the petal. Step 4. Sketching the petals. Around the central guidelines, draw smooth bold lines to form the outer petals. Each snowdrop has 3 large rounded outer petals. Step 5. Adding the inner tepals. Between the outer petals, lightly sketch the smaller inner tepals, giving the flower its characteristic layered look. Step 6. Now you can draw the second snowdrop. Just follow the same process for the stem, ovary and petals. Step 7. Sketch the third snowdrop that hasn't opened yet. Step 8. Now you can refine the stems and add the leaves. You can correct and adjust any lines that feel too stiff. Step 9. Outlining the drawing. Once happy with the sketch, use a thicker pencil to enhance the final lines, making them slightly darker and modifying. You can also see the list of all art supplies I'm using in the video description. Step 10. Inking the final drawing. Carefully trace the main lines while keeping the strokes light and neutral. And the final step, erasing unnecessary lines. Once the ink is dry, gently erase the pencil guidelines and rough sketches to leave only the final, clean ink drawing. And that's it. You now have a beautiful, elegant snowdrops drawing. It's perfect for botanical sketches, nature journals, or just for fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe.